Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the online classes of Others Convent School, Nature. This video has been created for the students of class 9. We are doing a chapter from our textbook of English, Beehive, chapter 1, entitled The Fun They Had. Let's see, so we have done actually 4 paragraphs of the story, and the story starts like this: that in 22nd century there are two characters in the story, Tommy and Margie. So one day they found a real book. It means this is the time of 22nd century when there is no place, no room for the real books, for the paper books. This is time of the, you can say, print media or print papers, virtual classes going on, and there is no use of the papers. So one day they found a real book and they got surprised because it was new for them. And actually in 22nd century they are studying from the online classes, virtual classes. They have a mechanical and robotic teacher, you can see here in the book, and they are learning through the computer, through virtual classroom, and they are reading moving e-text. So in this time when they find such a book that is printed on the paper, it was really surprising for them. So they are discussing about the book, and the book was written on school, about the school. So Marge is quite surprised, and the story goes like this: that one day the robotic teacher or the mechanical teacher of Marzi has some problems, and she was not doing good in the geography section. So the county inspector was called for repairing, for arranging the mechanical teacher. So the story goes on like this. Paragraph 5. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Marge's head. The inspector had smiled after he was finished. So when the inspector finished his work of arranging the mechanical teacher, then he smiled at her and patted Marge's head. There is a word, patted. Patted means a light blow with affection. With affection, when you have a light blow, आप किसी को affection के साथ हल्के से ऐसे थपथपी मारना, that is called patting. So he patted Marge's head with affection. He said to her mother, and then says, "It's not the little girl's fault." He says that this is not the little girl's fault that she's not doing good. Mrs. Jones is the name of the mother of Margie. He says, "I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." I think the geography sector was geared. There is a word, geared. Geared means adjusted to a particular standard or level. It means to adjust something on a particular level or a particular speed. It means to gear up. So he says that the geography sector was geared a little too quick. The geography sector was geared a little quick. It was fast. It means the speed that it was set on, it was quite fast. those things happen sometimes, and sometimes in machines, some things, some problems can happen. So no issue, these things can happen. These things happen sometime. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. So he says that I have slowed up the speed of the mechanical teacher to an average 10-year level. There are different kind of levels set up on the machine, on the mechanical teacher, that what will be the level and standard of education of 10 years age group child, and what will be the standard of education of 15, 14 or 17 years old childs. So there are different kind of standards, different kind of measures set up for the students. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. The county inspector says the overall pattern of the progress of Marzi is quite satisfactory. It means her progress is not bad, but the level of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Marzi's head again. Then he again patted Marzi's head. Patted means to give a slight blow of affection on someone's back or head. Marzi was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. And now Marzi was disappointed. Why Marzi was disappointed? Because she thought that the county inspector wouldn't be able to repair the mechanical teacher so quickly. So she was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. And she had a hope that the county inspector will take away the mechanical teacher altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. And she remembers that the county inspector and others had one day they have taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. For 1 month, they had taken away Tommy's teacher because the history sector had blanked out completely. It means the history sector in the mechanical teacher of Tommy was completely blanked out. There was an error in the history sector, so it was taken away completely for 1 month to get it repaired. So she also hoped that the county inspector will take away her teacher also for nearly 50 days, 15 days, 20 days, or maybe for 1 month. So she was hoping that, but the mechanical teacher didn't take away, was not taken away, the mechanical teacher was not taken away by the county inspector. So she was very disappointed, and it was her the reason of her disappointment. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? So as Tommy told her that the book is written about school, so she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about school? This is very boring thing to discuss about this school, that why someone is going to write about this school, what there will be to write about this school. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Tommy looked at Marzi with very superior eyes. Superior eyes means with a sense of superiority. It means he feels himself superior because he has knowledge, much knowledge about the real book and about the school also. So he says, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. So when she asks that why would anyone write about school, then he says that anyone would write about this school because it it is not our kind of school. This school is not such kind of school that we study today. It means this school is quietly completely different from our school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. This was such kind of old school, and you can say building a school that was used to run in buildings, and it was the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily. There is a word loftily. What you mean by loftily? Loftily means in a superior way. In a superior way means with a sense of superiority. He added to his sentence with a feeling of being superior, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. And he pronunciated the word very carefully, centuries ago. It means this is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, and he pronounced the word very carefully, centuries ago. It means loftily with a sense of superiority. He thinks that he is superior in the field of knowledge, superior to the girl Marzi. And he says this is the old kind of school that they had. It means this is not the same kind of the school as we today use, but this is about the old kind of school, and that was 100 years ago. Marzi was hurt. Now Marzi got hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So Marzi was hurt. Marzi felt like hurt means Marzi was disappointed. She felt like sadness, and she said, well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She says that I don't know all that time ago, before centuries ago, what kind of school the children had. She read the book over his shoulder for a while. So over Tommy's shoulder, she read that real book for a while. For a while means for a short time. A while means for a short time. Then she said, anyway, they had a teacher. Then finally she says that it means if they had school, then obviously they also had teachers. So let's see. Now you can see in the picture that what Marzi is thinking about. They had a teacher, and it was a man. You can see here in the picture that there is an imagination, a picture going on in the mind of Marzi, and she is thinking about a school where students are sitting in the classroom and a man is teaching them. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. So Tommy replies her that definitely the children had a teacher in 21st century, but it was not a regular teacher. Regular teacher means normal, of the usual kind. It means it was not a usual kind of teacher. Usual kind of teacher means in 22nd century they had a robotic teacher. So for them a robotic teacher is a usual teacher. So Tommy says that it was not a regular or usual teacher, but it was a man. It means a man was a teacher at that time. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Here Marzi is surprised and she says that a man, how could a man be a teacher? It is just quite impossible for her to imagine that. Is it possible that a man can become a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Then Tommy replies that yes, definitely he just told the boys and girls things. He used to tell boys and girls things means the subject matter. He used to teach them and gave them homework, and he also used to give them homework and ask them questions. So actually he tries to tell her that what kind of the schools used to run in 21st century, and what kind of teachers were there, and what was their job. The job was of the teachers was to teach new things, to tell things to boys and girls, to the students, and he used to give them homework, and he also would ask them questions. So it was about the concept of the school and real teachers and the man teachers who used to teach them, they are talking about. So we have done paragraph number 5 and 6, and I hope you understood it well. Then we will continue the chapter in our next class. So your today's homework is the same. Just read out paragraph number 6 and 7 and write vocabulary in your notebook and send me pictures as your homework. Till then, stay at your homes, stay safe, study well, take care, bye bye.